boys and girls, look at that. Drop in a bucket. That's all the jelly I had. I got 2 jars and they were empty with jelly. But I put some butter in there, and I'm gonna put a little, just a swizzle of honey, just to give me a little bit more to work with. I'm working with 5 muffins. Now, they keep expanding like that. So I was trying to let them, rise up a little bit. And then I was going to try to figure out something to where it can rise, but then I would still have a center. What I'm actually thinking of, what I'm actually thinking of is slicing it in here just to get a little bit into the center, and then put the fruit in it, and then smash it around the edges. And then I'm thinking to cut out the center, but then as this swell, it's still going to swell out. So I don't know. And then I don't have a way to get the center and not the end piece that's the bottom. So let me just try it. No, it's not going to work. Oh, I know what I could do. Yep, I know what I could do. Right there. See, that's what happens when you think things through. You don't want to cut through your pan, although you are going to cut through the bottom. But it's gonna fix back itself, because you don't want to cut your pan and no longer be able to use your pan. So I should have, I wasn't thinking, so I would have used a butter knife. I didn't know I was going to do this. If you hear any noise, that's the dragon upstairs. Now I'm going to take this little bit of jelly and honey and all that other stuff. Hopefully I don't taste any of the honey, but I want to grab it down from the walls first and get it all in there. I don't want to take out too much. We're gonna take it all out now. Get it all around there. This is gonna be good, boys and girls. I get snackish every now and then, so I try to make something. And although I shouldn't be eating all this bread, it has actually stopped me from filling up my shopping cart with all kind of sweet treats. I don't actually think I should be buying all of those treats when I could barely buy a pack of meat on my own. You know what I mean? I don't like that, and I feel so bad when I find out, some people that I know that work hard. Not saying I didn't work hard, because I had a few jobs on the books. So but not to say that I owe anybody any explanation or anything, but I just don't feel like that's right. So I try to make what I can using the stuff that I'm getting on a regular basis. And I'm not going to lie to you, I get a lot of Grand's biscuits now because I get veg points. But at least I'm not buying stuff that I'm not going to use just to get, no, I don't do stuff like that. Plus, I really like the desserts I'm having. But as you can tell, I need to sit down. And the only thing I'm going to do right now is rest. When I come back, I'll take care of the counter before they come out the oven. But I apologize if you, first of all, I'll apologize if you're unwell when it comes to seeing someone unwell. But at least we get to see one another. Thank you. I'll be right back. I completely forgot I was doing muffins, whatever you call these things. I'm sitting in the other room sweating, sweating myself near death. Near death, boys and girls. Dang. Gosh, please don't burn. Woo, don't burn. Please don't burn. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, woo, this heat, boys and girls. Woo. Ooh. Ooh, this kid. Oh, I gotta turn this down. Oh. Oh. I need to open my door for a minute. Ooh. Oh, boys and girls. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, let's get up to this now. Let's get on this. I'm trying to get these pork chops done. They're thawing out. Whew. Now this looks absolutely beautiful. A beautiful snack. And I'm so sorry. But as I know, I want to have a piece. I can't have it right now. My upper mouth is completely swollen. But I don't know what the freak is going on with my legs. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Ooh, I've been laying down for a while. I haven't had much snacks of any kind, so that I don't know what that is, but that's what I is. That's what I was about to do. Ooh, I didn't return my neighbor her saucer. Please don't knock on the door now. Oh my goodness. I have got to take this in the room and have a little snack. Now, it is still hot, but Lord have mercy. Ooh, I like my food hot. Oh, the preserved part is delicious. Ooh. Oh. It's delicious. Ooh, yeah. Guess what I'm gonna try, boys and girls? Amazon's version of these biscuits, but I'm gonna put in maybe 2 grands so that way I can get my points. But I'm gonna get about 5 or 6 of these things right here, boys and girls. But you best believe, honey, I'm gonna put some pain lotion on my legs as I am getting on that machine tonight.